Hi, I'm Kristen Baraboo, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's posture focus is Eagle Pose, Garurasana. Eagle Pose appears in almost all of our yoga classes here at Bend Beyond and is the last of the warming up postures in our traditional Bend 90 class. Eagle Pose combines strength, flexibility, and balance. It's so great for warming up all the major joints of the body, the hips, knees, ankles, your shoulders, shoulder blades, your elbows, your wrists. Everything gets in tension through compression in this posture. It can be a little tricky for beginners, that arm wrap with the double twist. The key here, as you bring your arms up over your head and you swing the one arm under the other, is to keep your thumbs facing your person as you cross your elbows and then your wrists so that you can bring the palms together. Don't worry if you don't get it the first time, you'll get the hang of it soon enough. Another thing that can be tricky in this posture is wrapping the foot. No worries at all if you can't wrap the foot. Know that it'll happen at the right moment for you. Simply press your top leg down on your bottom leg, point your toes in the direction they want to go, and trust in your process. Eagle Pose is the first balancing posture on one foot of the Bend 90 series, and it takes tremendous concentration. Let's take a closer look. Feet together, arms up over your head sideways. Bring your right arm under your left arm, cross at your elbows and your wrists. As I said, this can be tricky for beginners, so make sure you point your thumbs towards your face as you get the double twist at the elbows and the wrists for the palms to come together. Let's see this from the side view as you sit down. Keep your feet together, pull your elbows down to open your shoulders, suck your stomach in, and sit down. Sit down into the chair, just like in the posture that comes right before this in our Bend 90 series, awkward pose. Lift your right leg up over your left leg, high as you can to create space, and wrap your right foot underneath your left calf muscle. Now, you may not be able to get the wrap at the beginning, and that's absolutely fine. Press your top leg down onto your bottom leg to create compression to open the joints, and point your toes in the direction that you know they'll go someday. Sit down into the chair. Keep your body weight distributed equal over your standing foot. As you work the alignment, knees come to the right, upper body left. Gently pull back with the left knee to create the stability, to keep the balance for feet, knees, elbows, hands, everything in one line. Avoid looking up simply to bring your fingers below your chin. Keep neutral neck, long throughout, stomach in, sit down, and change. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and I hope they'll help you get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.